Hello, this is Lynn McCool, and welcome to Unit 4, Designing for an Audience. In this unit, we will explore how Gestalt principles influence audience-centered design. We attempt to answer the question, what is good design? And please be aware that you do not need to be a technical writing expert to feel the impact of a poorly designed document. It may appear too busy, difficult to scan, and difficult to absorb. On the other hand, a well-designed document is aesthetically pleasing and makes the reading of its contents feel effortless. The goal is for your technical communication to be well-designed and audience-centered in order to get your message across, both effectively and persuasively. So our learning objectives for this unit are to explore the concept of information design, to deepen our understanding of a document's visual features and attributes, to explore the 5 Gestalt principles of design, and to create technical definitions, descriptions, and specifications using good design. For Monday, you know you have your cover letter, resume, and professional networking assignment, which is due by 11:59 p.m., as well as your team logo design. Then on Wednesday, the readings for this week are Chapter 6 from your Technical Communication Today, the chapter on technical descriptions and specifications, and then Chapter 17, Designing Documents and Interfaces. There are 3 screencasts this unit, the introductory one, which you are listening to right now, a screencast on technical definitions, which are a microgenre of the technical description, and then principles of document design, in which I describe for you some of the basics of good design. Your quiz this week covers Technical Communication Today, Chapter 6, focusing just on pages 144 and 145, and then Chapter 17, the entire chapter, as well as any of the information found in the lecture screencasts. You do have a discussion board this week, and you also have a quiz. Friday, of course, you have some additional readings. These are readings found on the web, and they are linked there in the reading assignment section. I've also provided some samples for you to look at in this unit. So there's a sample technical definition and a partitioning of an object. There's a sample extended definition, another one on diabetes, and another description sample of a thumbtack. Your discussion board this week has to do with writing a technical definition and partitioning an object, a very simple object that I give you an image of that gives you a chance to practice writing those definitions and partitioning the object. Then the big project that you'll be working on, you will actually have 2 weeks to complete this project, so it's not due next week, but the following week. And it is a team project in which you are going to create a technical description along with a technical definition. And so this week we focus just on writing definitions. Next week, in the next unit, I will talk in detail about how to put the actual description part together. But as you are getting ready to work on this as a team, you can first focus on creating the actual technical definition of the product, and then next week we'll focus in on the description. Okay, that's all for this unit. If you have any questions, as always, please give me a shout out and send me an email, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. I look forward to talking to you again soon.